Look at this girl. I waited for like almost an hour because she has to go buy her, what's that?
Hot Cheeto?
Hot Cheeto Korean hot dog. Nakita ko pa yun, oh, yung nakabike na sinasabi mong tinatawanan mong nakabike. Ang dami nila, nakita ko, binidyo ko pa.
You know, they just bike in a circle. I saw one when Dad was dropping me off. He was just biking in a circle.
Yeah, that's what they've been doing, just biking around. See?
What are they doing? Just thinking?
Yeah, it's security. That's how they work. And she has her drinks, and she got me Auntie Anne. Oh my goodness. So did you, hindi mo na nahanap yung ganyan mo? Ay. Saan mo nakakalimutan? Di walang guna yung sa akin nga.
Okay.
Oh.
Wait, I have to give you half when I'm almost done.
Okay. Mamaya na. I'm gonna go drive home. Yan, ang sinilas mo na nagpuntang nagtrabaho.
Cause mommy, I cut my toe. And now, trying to get out of the shower. Because there's no carpet and it's dirty. So I tried to jump onto the other side. And I went, boom.
Ay, naku.
It hurt so bad.
Yun ang sinasabi ko
I
eh.
cut like this. In my big toe.
Ay, naku, bakit ka magja-jump? Kasi muntik ko nang ibalik yung kwan kaninang umaga dyan. Yung mat.
It's already dry. It smells like a porta potty.
Okay. Tara na. Oras na. Mainit sa labas. It's incredible. It's almost October. 81 degrees sa labas. Tara na. Ayan, yan ang kumakain yan, si Asian Girl Joss. Nandito kami sa parking lot. Pauwi na. Tingnan mo nga kung may mga tao dyan sa likod. Bakit kasi nagkakwan sila dyan sa likod? Ano ba yan?
What time are we
from Mall of America?
What time are we leaving on the 19th?
1 o'clock? 1:30, something like that.
Can we leave late?
Why? We need to be there at 3
In the morning? Or afternoon?
p.m.
Oh. Is it fine if I go to a dance practice?
Paano ka na pupunta ng dance practice na naman, Baba? Iaalis tayo.
It's not like it's like a pretty good event though.
I don't know. How many more events are you gonna go?
Because if it wouldn't take that long. Like,
I want to go. You can't.
why?
Malayo yung biyahe pa. 1.5 hour. Ano pang nagawa natin nga eh.
Okay.
Tapos sabi niya magdadala pa ako ng pang-bilo-bilo. Doon na daw lulutuin sa kanila. O, di ano nang nagawa natin? Matutulog tayo 1:00 ng umaga. Mag-fishing pa tayo.
Fishing? Is how we going?
How could he be? You are talking about Chicago? I was like talking about this coming Saturday.
What's that?
Going to Clearwater.
Oh.
We're going fishing.
How we
And
going?
then make bilo-bilo. She want bilo-bilo. She said she doesn't eat bilo-bilo in her life.
Luisa? Tita Luisa?
Oh, si Mary Ann yung pupuntahan natin sa Clearwater. Ay naku. Si Tita Luisa nagda-diet yun.
She's so skinny, and Tita Miriam.
Yeah, they are all
And
skinny.
Tita Leia! What the heck?
Yeah, all of them, especially Tita Leia. I don't know what happened to them people.
She looks like a little girl.
They're too tiny. Yung mga tao dito, bakit dito sila nagtatambay sa labas? Ang daming mga... Uy! Diyan pala ako sa left! Uy! Manong!
Just wait for them.
Saan ako nga eh?
Wait for it. Go.
Oh, buti na lang. Walang sasakyan sa likod. Ang bihirang Mall of America. Sort today. Oops.
It's crazy, mommy.
How could it be crazy?
You know what I did? It was only me and my manager, and I fixed up all of the shoes. Let me show you.
Huh? What shoes do you
I
fix?
put all of these shoes out. Look. Hold on. Look at.
Okay, let's go.
See? Look.
Oh, wow.
So,
Wow.
all morning. All morning by myself.
Well, you have to be proud of yourself. That's your job. Ay, nako. Mall of America, bye-bye. Wala na kaming
I've never
ginawa
been-
dito,
I've
Mall of
never-
America.
I've never been here more in my entire life. Because I work here.
Ay, nako.
If you want to say hi to Asian girl Jazz.
Busy na.
Oh my, it's so hot.
Yeah, it's almost October. There's like a week of this
That
already,
means it's
but we
gonna
have
be-
to enjoy while it
Mhm.
lasts.
I mean, it's gonna be cold. Like even when it's supposed to be spring.
I know.
It always happens here.
Yeah, on winter time it's gonna be bad winter. That's what they said. They're predicting it really bad.
Oh no.
We're gonna pay for it after all the nice weather.
Oh.
Busog na ako. Pot belly yung kwan namin, lunch namin sa trabaho. Eh, nagbaon na ako ng gulay na kwan. Niluto ko kahapon. Nabusog na ako in the morning. And then nag-lunch pa ako ng salad. Salad na lang kinuha ko, hindi sandwich. Kasi there's salad too.
Yeah. It's easy, yeah.
Biglang na-busy dito ah.
Mhm.
Oh, look at that. There's so many heron over there. If you see those white ones, those are heron. It used to be only one or two, but now there's so many of them.
They're producing.
They're coming from somewhere. I don't know where they're coming from. Wow, but I like it. They are beautiful. Very beautiful. I want to go back again in like nighttime to watch them. That's where they are there.
You went before?
Yeah, I posted it in my Instagram.
Remember when we walked over there?
Yeah. Yeah, me with Tita Luisa, we walked over all the way there too.
When?
When they were here.
When was that?
Yung pumunta sila dito, ngay nandoon ka. Pumunta kayo ng Minnesota State Fair. Nila Hawi at nila ate,
You guys
kuya.
been here? What the
Yeah,
heck?
we walked with Bailey.
Aww.
Yeah, Bailey is so tired. It's like 5 miles.
No!
Bakit to? Uy! People! Traffic. Uy! Biglang na traffic. Tapos hindi ako makapag left side kasi ang bilis ng mga sasakyan. Mag-i-exit pala ang mga ito. Nakakainis. Kaya
The bus
pala andito
too.
lahat.
In the bus.
Tapos meron pang bus dyan. Crazy driving! Driver pala. Ayan, mag-i-exit pala yung bus na yan.
Seriously, Minnesota bus?
MTVA!
He looks young.
O yung driver?
Yeah.
Yeah. Making good money there for sure. Ayan na, red train or bus going to the Mall of America.
Yeah.
It's expensive. $83 a month. Never mind.
Dad's already dropping me off every day.
Yeah, because no one would pay $83.
Yeah. It's so sunny.
get cold.
But then when it's cold, you're going to miss the sun again.
That's why I said everyone has to enjoy this weather.
But when it's hot, you want it to be cold.
For sure. Everyone's like the opposite. Yung unan mo nga at saka yung kumot mo sa likod. Talabahan. Kunin mo yung kumot mo na yun. Talaban na. Baho nga.
Uy!
I know. Eh, talalabhan na nga. It's time to laba. Your kumot, pang biyahe. Andyan pa nung nagbiyahe tayo nung June, July.
Hey!
It's October soon. It's still inside my car. I've been smelling it all months while going to work.
Yeah. Wow.
Asa na yung aking kongay, pretzel?
Right here.
Oh, yung Korean.
Oh, that pretzel. It's there.
Okay. Yung aking Korean dog.
No!
Oh, I thought you said you're gonna share.
Not the dog.
You're just gonna share the Auntie Anne's?
No, I'm sharing it. You said Korean dog.
Yeah. Isn't that a Korean dog?
Hot dog.
Oh. I don't want to eat a dog.
Yeah, that's what I said. You want to eat it, dog?
Okay, let's go at the back here because or else we can't go to the right side. We're gonna exit soon.
We're going to race him.
Yeah, and I don't want to race anyone.
Look at my sweater.
Ano ba yan? Para kang bata. Tingnan mo stuck na naman sila. Tapos yung nasa likuran ko, babanggain ako. Sige.
Boom!
Uy!
Better watch
Anong nangyari
out.
dito? 40 lang. Uy! It's 70. Uy!
Hey.
Mag-exit na naman pala. Bakit yan? Everyone is impatient even in a little bit of traffic. How much more over in Chicago or Atlanta or New York or in Los Angeles. We know how that go for all of our road trips. Oh, it's tiring. You'll be so impatient, especially in LA. Oh, nasa LA tayo, maliliit pa kayo, uso pa si ano yan, let it go. And Kuya said, did you requested this song every minute? Kasi yun na lang yung patugtog nila. Let it go. Let it go. Yun na lang yung kanta sa radyo. Kahit ilipat mo kahit saan, yun yung kanta. Nung kwan pa yun, yung palabas noon.
Frozen?
Yeah, yung Frozen.
Yeah.
Alright folks, we're home. So that's it for now. That is finally nakapag-vlog or parang kon lang, driving lang, talking. Alright. Hindi ko alam kung naintindihan nila yung Tagalog. Bahala sila. Basta meron kang may upload direkta na. Wala nang ano yan? Hindi na ako nagpakita. Laki-laking braso, oh. Okay. Where am I gonna park? Right here?
Oh, wow. In the sun.
Of course.
I'm going
Katabi
to
yung
steal your
kapitbahay sa
car.
taas.
I'll steal your car.
Yung sasakyan ng kapitbahayan sa taas. Oh. Tingnan mo nga. Okay folks, that's it. Driving with
Asian Girl Jazz and Glenda's Life Journey.
Glenda Life Journey USA at saka si Asian Girl Jazz USA. Okay, bye!
Bye!